To upload your products to MetaleMart. Step 1. Visit www.metalemart.in. Click on Sell at the top right. Here, use your registered email and password to sign in. Then you'll be redirected to the seller dashboard. Step 2. Click on Add New Product. There, you will have two options. First, Add Product, where you can upload single product at a time. Second, Bulk Product Upload, where you can upload hundreds and thousands of product together in single click. For the purpose of this video, we will upload products in bulk. Here you will find three input options. We're looking to upload solid round bars of stainless steel 304 grade. So we selected this and two buttons, and some information appears. First, we have to download the Excel template and fill it with our products, and then upload it in the next button. Open the Excel file. Depending on the stock that you're uploading, you will have different size options. As I'm uploading round bars, we have diameter and length as sizes. Let's put up some data here. All sizes are in mm, stock location, make, finish, MOQ, and 4 bulk discount slabs can be filed for one and can be dragged for the rest. Discount slabs means if the buyer exceeds a certain quantity, let's say 1,000 kgs, then offer him 2% discount on the base rate. And if he exceeds 10 tons, offer him 5% discount on the base rates, and so on. You can customize it as per your need. Let's say we have stock from 6mm to 50mm diameter. So I will quickly write down the diameters, rates, and lengths for all, and save the file. For the purpose of this video, I'm just uploading 20 sizes. You can upload hundreds if required. Remember, more the information, better the listing, and more conversion. Make sure you do not add per kg in rates column or anything elsewhere, as your sheet will not be accepted. Now let's save this and go back to the site. Click on Upload CSV File, and select your saved file and upload it. If everything is correct, your products will be uploaded automatically, and you can see them in the View All Products page. We will learn about changing bulk rates in the next video. Thank you for watching MetaleMart.